Argan oil, how to use it, some of its benefits. Argan oil is a vegetable oil made from the fruit of the spiny argan tree, Latin Argania spinosa. It is widely used in the traditional cuisine of southwestern Morocco. It is rich in tocopherols, carotene, essential fatty acids, and is also used for cosmetic purposes. Currently, argan oil is one of the most expensive and valuable oils used in the cosmetic industry. How to use argan oil and what are some of its benefits? Argan oil, one of the most expensive oils. Currently, argan oil is one of the most expensive and valuable oils used in the cosmetics industry. This is because it is among the rarest oils in the world. However, in any case, it is worth its cost. Argan oil is an excellent antioxidant, plus it contains a high amount of vitamins beneficial to the skin. Argan oil is very versatile. Argan oil can help keep skin strong and healthy all over the body, counteracting the formation of stretch marks and moisturizing sensitive skin. How to choose pure argan oil for cosmetic use? When choosing pure argan oil for cosmetic use, it is important that we find only one item in the ingredient list: Argania spinosa kernel oil. Argan oil for hand care. A few drops soften hands and prepare nails for manicures. Argan oil for hair care. Argan oil can be applied to hair, just a few drops are enough to help make it shiny, soft, and light, strengthening dry hair. Argan oil for skin hydration. Argan oil is excellent for moisturizing delicate skin because it helps soothe inflammation and itching due to allergies or skin problems. This is why it is increasingly used and recommended by dermatologists and medical estheticians. Storage of argan oil. Pure, quality argan oil does not need any preservatives. To maintain its properties, simply keep it in a cool, dry place inside amber glass container. How to recognize a quality argan oil? Pure argan oil derived from pressing on roasted seeds will absorb quickly when smeared on the skin, moisturizing it and making it soft and supple. The container should have an eyedropper so that the right, small amount of product can be used.